everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, all over the world, in our beautiful country, Kenya, or in Africa. This is Wangeshi, and this is Adventure Series with Wangeshi, where we bring you epic camping adventure and just being adventurous on the road, exploring our beautiful country. And today we are still in Sagana at Jangwani Campsite, but we decided to pack up our tent and try their luxury tents, and I cannot tell you how excited I am to bring you this amazing episode and get to show you around, get to show you their luxury tents, get to show you also the activities that you can do while you're here. And we have a cute little activity planned for you guys, and I can't wait to show you. But I'll also be showing you the tent and where we are. And without further ado, I won't talk much. Let's catch up. Cheers. Thank you so much for all those people who've been supporting us until now. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like, share, and thank you.
You walked in with that easy smile, took my world and spun it wild. Strawberry skies, your hand in mine, felt like June in the summertime. I wasn't looking, wasn't trying, then you showed up, no denying. Now every second's tasting right, like bubbles dancing in the light. You're sweet like lemonade, cool me down on my hottest days. A little sour, a little sweet, boy, you're everything to me. Got me giggling like a fool, in your eyes I lose my cool. Love like this I wanna replay, you're my lemonade. We talk all night about silly things like stars and dreams and jelly beans. You draw hearts on foggy glass, promise me that this will last. Didn't believe in love at first sight, now you're the reason I write. From morning light to evening shade, you're the song I always play. You're sweet like lemonade, cool me down on my hottest days. A little sour, a little sweet, boy, you're everything to me. Got me giggling like a fool, in your eyes I lose my cool. Love like this I wanna replay, you're my lemonade. Sip by sip, I fall in deep. Day by day, you're all I need. Even when the sky turns gray, you taste like summer anyway. You're sweet like lemonade, every moment I wanna stay. A little sour, a little sweet, but oh, you're perfect just for me. It got me giggling like a fool, wrapped in you, I'm feeling new. Love like this don't fade away, you're my lemonade. You're my lemonade.
tries to find its way, but there's a truth we'll soon display. Don't be sad, let's start to play. Sky. Tears might fall like raindrops that cry, but deep inside there's a hidden light, a spark that can cut through the night. You've been walking on a rocky road, heart full of burdens, heavy and slow, but every stumble is just a small test, a chance to rise and be your best. And don't be sad. Of pain may still remain, like ghosts that haunt in the pouring rain, but you're stronger than you've ever known. Break the chains, leave the past alone. Look around, there's beauty to see, in the laughter, in the harmony. The stars above, they're shining bright, guiding you through the endless night. When the shadows seem to surround and you feel like you're on the ground, just remember you're not alone. I'll be here to make you feel at home. Don't be sad, my friend, let the sorrow gently end. There's a world full of new trends awaiting for you to extend. Don't be sad, my dear, wipe away the falling tear. The sun will shine year after year. Let hope be always near. As the dawn breaks through the haze, the sadness fades like a distant craze. You'll step into a brand new phase. Don't be sad, embrace the days.
Hey, will I meet you this summer? Maybe I'm a little drunk now, but it's okay. Hey, your friends say you're not bad, stable more, but I still hope I confirmed it myself.